आज हम स्टार्ट करते हैं पार्ट 2। ठीक है, तो क्वांटिटी ऑफ सैनिटरी सीवेज इज इक्वल टू, तो वो किसके इक्वल होता है? टोटल क्वांटिटी ऑफ वाटर सप्लाइड प्लस एडिशन ड्यू टू इंडस्ट्रियल सप्लाई ईटीसी माइनस सब्ट्रैक्शन ड्यू टू इनफिल्ट्रेशन। ठीक है, तो इसके नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं। द कैपेसिटी ऑफ फ्लशिंग सिस्टम फॉर यूरिनल इज जनरली लगभग 5 लीटर। ठीक है, आगे what is the scale of water that is required for a city or a town having population of 50,000 to meet fire demand as recommended by the Indian Standard IS 9668 1990? ठीक है, 1800 लीटर पर मिनट के करीब होना चाहिए। A dominant factor influencing a crop consumptive water use evapotranspiration is not first a stage of crop growth, crop coefficient, and pan evaporation and reference crop transpiration, hence pan evaporation. ठीक है, आगे देखते हैं। Which of the following term is used to designate the losses due to evapotranspiration and water that is used for metabolic activities of plants, which is a conjunctive use? In the context of irrigation, what is the primary purpose of bandra, which is a water storage? In India, which category of irrigation most irrigation scheme fall, which is a tank irrigation? The lake of water formed in upstream side is called, which is called reservoir. Next is which one of the following is not a major deterrent in water harvesting through tanks, which is the shallow depth of water tanks. The World War Conservation Day is observed on, which is observed on 22 March. The techniques used to increase the recharge of groundwater by capturing and storing the rainwater is known as rainwater harvesting. Artificial recharge of groundwater can be achieved by which of the following, which is of all the options: and niche cut, gully plugging, ponds, rooftop rainwater harvesting structure. All options are the correct. Dash ensuring that debris that was settled in the gutters before rainfall does not end up in the water harvesting system, which is first flushing device. If there is no charge to or outflow from the groundwater in basin, the water table would eventually, which is a decreases. Surface of rainwater from the collecting surface using rainwater harvesting is given by formula S to R into A into C. Identify the term, which is R equal to mean annual rainfall in mm per year, A surface area of catchment in meter cube, CR runoff coefficient. Preventing rainwater to run off and the accumulation and decomposition of reuse on site is called rainwater harvesting. Rainwater harvesting, which means collection of water from surface on which rainfall. Advantage of rainwater harvesting: easy to collect. Which one of the following formation has the highest specific yield for groundwater harvesting, which is a gravel? One of the purposes of rainfall harvesting and conservation is to first enhance the quality of surface runoff to rivers or stream, help maximize the evaporation loss for hydrologic cycle, and C option is augment the sustainable yield of groundwater or prevent excessive waste of water supply by the consumer. Hence option C is correct. Rainwater harvested from roof is contaminated. Which of the following types of roof would most desirable for harvesting rainwater, which is arsenic painted roof? Which one of the following is a part of river draining system, which is a road ends? Next exam point of is important point देख लेते हैं. Tulicity of a meandering river is always greater than 1. Scooper is a structure used for protecting the bank of rivers and channels. In a river, explorers are provided to train flow along a specified course. A repelling guano is aligned pointed upstream, okay, pointed, and attracting guano in a river is inclined toward downstream at 30 degrees. The river training for depth is achieved by Graians and bundling. A grain with a curved head is known as hockey grain. The deflecting grain is a reverse perpendicular to the bank. A river bend in alluvial soil is characterized by scoring on convex side and silting on convex side. In a river, scoring are provided to train flow along a specified course. Main purpose of mean water training for river is to preserve the channel in good shape by efficient disposal of suspended and bed load. Here, uh, which of the following rivers of India does not originate from the Western Ghat, which is Tapti and Tapi? Pick odd one with respect to classification of rivers, which is the Pulaski rivers. Assertion and reasoning. Yamuna becomes a dead river between Delhi and Agra during most of the year. Region Yamuna is known perennial rivers, hence we know that option is true, but reason is false. The loss of life is maximum if flood water suddenly enters the inhabited areas at night. The loss of life during the flood is considered as death. Loss is intangible. Length and width of a meter are proportional to, which is proportional to discharge for 1 by 2. As per Indian standard, the obliquity of flow of the river axis should not be more than say 30 degrees. Construction of temporary bonds is generally not possible in the alluvial stage of river. What is the purpose of steam gauge, which is to find out the runoff the catchment area? The following statement with respect to canal falls, choose the wrong statement. In first instance, the fall for discharge about 14 cubic meter per second. Trapezoidal crest have of steep slope side slope of 1 is to 8 is provided. In the OV falls, there is heavy drawdown on the upstream side. Here the hence option is the wrong statement. Here, what is that thing? The velocity of flow in case of fish ladder is approximate, which is 3 meter per second. Popular method for river discharge measurement, which is a area velocity method. Which of the following is a flood control measure for the channel phase, which is a construction of leaves? Width of meandering belt is the distance between the apex point of the curve and apex point on the reverse curve. A layer length of grano pointing upstream used for river training work is known as repelling grano. Which of the following method can be used for river training work, which is a fall of the river? An intake commonly used to obtain supply from lake is known as submerged intake. The embankment constructed parallel to the river for flood protection on one side is known as levees. Earth embankments that are constructed on the bank and run parallel to the river to retain the flood water, thus preventing it from spreading near are levees. Which of the following river training works run parallel to the river flow is the levees? A type of river that form a network of many branches within a channel is called a braided river. Which method involves modifying the course and boundaries of a river, which is a river channelization? Which of the following river training works is constructed on the upstream side of the diversion site to control the submergence of the land due to rise in high flood level, which is a marginal bond? Marginal embankment is a River training work, flood protection work, and both option is correct. Exam point of view, say, a deficient of sediment in flowing water may cause a river degrading type. Guide the bank's convergence is in the downstream directions are divergent guide bank. A river training work is generally required when the river is meandering type. The meandering pattern of river is developed by dominant discharge. To hold hydraulic jump, buffel walls are provided in English type walls. When a river starts meandering, the sediment carrying capacity for decreases and ultimately increases. Which of the following is an objective of river training work, which is all that to prevent the river from changing its courses, to prevent flooding of surrounding area, to ensure effective disposal of sediment flow. Gandikota Canyon of South India was created in which of the following rivers, which is a Pennar. The embankment meant to confine and guide the river flow past a bridge without causing damage to it. Its approaches generally constructed in the direction of flow are known as guide banks. Which of the following are example of river training work? First, cut off, second, embankment, sports, which is all the options are correct. The Narmada and Tapti river flank, which is a Satpura branch. Which of the following method is the most effective for conserving water, which is a taking shower with less geographical unit that collects, stores, and release water is called watershed. Which irrigation method has the highest irrigation efficiency, which is drip irrigation? Drip irrigation carrying irrigation water through pipe and water is allowed to drip in the dash of the crop under low pressure, which is a root zone. Among the following, which one is the least water efficient crop, which is sugarcane? Construction of water resources projects such as dam can also result into which of the following, which is flood control. Which is the primary advantage of drip irrigation? Reduce water evaporation and runoff. The purpose of best managed water work is, which is a reduce losses of problem. Indian Meteorological Department use the standard gauge whose collectors have is 100 to 200 centimeter square area. Which reservoirs are used to feed the canal system for irrigation and power generation, storage and conservation reservoir? The area of stream of dam must be suitable for requirement of a reservoir. In drip irrigation, the drip nozzles are fixed on lateral, discharging water at very small rate of the order of 2 to 10 liters per hour. National Rural Drinking Water Program is one of the components of a Bharat Nirman. National Waterway 1 connects Allahabad or Haldi. Which of the following irrigation system lead to reduced evaporation, which is a drip irrigation? The central government was declared the year 2007 as a water year. Why crop rotation necessary? To increase the fertility of the soil. National Water Development Agency was established in the year of 1982. Okay. The soil fertility of irrigation command area can be achieved by crop rotation. The sprinkler irrigation is the best method of irrigation for standing crop is in dash in the flood undulating sandy soil. Exam point of view, important points take the rate at which soil is capable of absorbing water is called infiltration capacity. Full form of IMD, Indian Meteorological Department. The runoff according to Benny's percentage for 700 mm annual rainfall is 25%. Runoff is the part of precipitation. Simon rain gauge does not consist of rotating drum. Number of rain gauge stations in any basin depends on the extent of area, climatic condition, topographic condition. Unit hydrograph theory was unified by Lero K. Chapman. An accurate estimate the average rainfall in a particular catchment area can be obtained by a Swedel method. The sprinkler irrigation method for water distribution is most suitable is when the land topography is irregular. A sprinkler irrigation system is suitable when the land gradient is steep and soil is easily erodible. Which one of the following conditions is favorable for a sprinkler irrigation, which is when the land soil is excessive permeable? Which of the following is disadvantage of sprinkle irrigation, which is loss of water is more due to wind? The maximum recommended flow slope is dash to avoid soil erosion is 0.5%. Consider the following. A watershed development fund was being established for total purpose of as 200 crore. The objective to be undertake an integrated watershed development in the selected 100 district. Under the scheme, 2 by third of the amount is given for grant-based project in the state. Hence, the correct option is the 1 and 2. Which of the following item of work are included in Bharat Nirman? Find your answer with help of given code accelerated irrigation benefit program, interlinking of river project scheme for repair, renovation and restoration of water bodies, rehabilitation of displaced persons due to irrigation project. Hence, option 1, 2, and 3 is the correct. Next question. Consider the given statement and select the correct answer from the following options. Statement 1. When the surface drainage is not adequate, the heavy precipitation in the area is not drained off quickly and the rainwater remains stagnant over the area for a considerable time. Statement 2. Sometimes the cultivators plug up and obliterate existing natural drainage. This result is a stoppage of storm water flow, consequent flooding and waterlogging, which is hence both statements are the true. Next question. Which of the following is are the advantage of the providing field trained in agricultural land from the given statement? First, remove the free gravity water that is not directly available in the plant. B, decreases air circulation in soil, increases soil erosion. A well-trained soil has less capacity to hold rainfall, resulting in less rain runoff, therefore increase the soil erosion. D, decreases bacterial activity in the soil, hence only option A is the correct one. Identify the statement which are incorrect. The depth of water table at which it tends to make the soil water logged and harmful to the growth and substance of plant life depends upon the height of capillary fringe. The normal height of capillary fringe meet within agriculture soil varies from 0.5 meter to 3.5 meter. The adverse effect of high water table upon the yield crop also depends upon the nature of crop grown. So only option B is correct. अब अगला क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. Consider the following statement with respect to lining of canal and select the correct option. ठीक है. Statement 1. Cement concrete lining is a tough, durable, relatively impermeable and hydraulic efficient. Statement 2. Curing is not required for soil cement lining if optimum moisture content is maintained. Hence, the statement 1 is true, but statement 2 is false. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. Consider the given statement regarding control of water reservoir and select the correct answer from the following options. Statement A. Lining of canal and waterways reduce the leakage of water. Statement B. Blocking the drain constructed along the canal can through them prevent the seepage of canal water from reaching the area where water logging is likely to occur. Hence, both statements are the correct. Next, consider the following statement about the stability criteria of a gravity dam. Statement 1. If the force of friction is more than the force due to water pressure, the dam is safe against sliding. Statement 2. If the resulting of the height of the dam and the horizontal force due to water pressure lies outside the base of dam but within h height of the dam from the face of the dam is safe against overturning. Statement Third, to avoid tension at the base of the dam, the maximum value of the eccentricity is P by 6 on either side. The geometrical axis of base selection where P is base of dam, which is statement 2 and 3rd is correct. Which of the following measures are adopted for controlling water logging? First, increasing the intensity of irrigation lining of canal, optimum use of water, which is statement 2 and 3 correct. Drip irrigation or trickling or micro irrigation is adopted under the situation where sufficient water is available. Where sufficient water is not available, it delivers water and nutrient directly to the plant root zone. Plant get exactly what it needs to grow optimally. Hence, 2, 3, and 4 is correct. Which of the following in case of water logging? Hence, statement both is correct. Seepage water to the canal, it requires surface drainage both 1 and 2. Which of the following is cause of water logging? Required surface drainage, construction of water reservoir, over irrigation. Hence, both statements are water. Next, in India, canal water charts are generally fixed on the basis of area, surfaces, crop basis, volume of water supplied. Hence, all statement is next. The objective of irrigation management is to supply and apply water, hence in right amount, at the right place, at right timing. All the statement is a good canal irrigation management can be achieved by lining of canal, educating farmers, charging farmers for water quantity, and second and first and lining of canal, educating farmers are drainage becomes necessary when there is excess rainfall, when the land is over irrigated, when there is anti rainfall. Hence, first and second are correct. Following are the forces acting on a gravity dam. First, water pressure and uplift pressure. Second, weight of dam and earthquake pressure. Third is wave pressure. Hence, 1, 2, and 3 are correct. Which statement is correct regarding flood control? Construction of leaves, provision of flood walls, preservation of diversion channels, construction of storage reservoir. And option 1, 2, and 4 are correct. Which of the following statements are true for worms? Worms help in controlling the soil erosion by intercepting and throttling rainfall on the downstream slope of the dam. On the upstream slope of the dam serve to support the foundation of the rock. Both statement 1 and 2. Identify whether the given statement with respect to sprinkler irrigation are correct or incorrect. Hence, the sprinkler irrigation is more suitable when surface method when the lands are very pervious soil and undiluted surface profile. For sprinkler irrigation is more suitable when surface method when the land was steep slope and easily irrigable. So hence I think option A to correct here or option B will correct. Next देखते हैं. Okay. So water conservation next question. With reference to the scheme wise location in the 2023 and 24 Union Budget, which of the following statements are correct? First, compared to the previous year, highest percentage of decline has been recorded in allocation of Mandrega. Second, compared to the previous year, highest percentage of growth has been recorded in the allocation of Jal Jeevan Mission. Hence, option only one is correct. With reference to PM Gati Shakti scheme, which of the following statements are correct? First, the PM Gati Shakti Scheme National Plan was launched in 2022. The PM Gati Shakti Scheme for 10 to 7 engines, road, railway, airport, ports, mass transport, waterways, logistic infrastructure, NIP will be aligned with PM Gati Shakti framework, which correct answer on code below, which hence only two is the correct. Which one of the following watershed development projects sponsored by a central government of India which aims to enabling the rural population to conserve the water means Haryali? Given below are two statements. One is labeled as assertion, another is reasoning assertion. The 73rd Amendment of the Constitution is considered to be watershed in the history of local self-government in India. Region 73rd Constitution Amendment confirmed the much converted constitutional status on Panchayat. Hence, statement both A and R are true. R is the correct explanation of A. Yeah, next, which one of the following is a dam is not in उत्तर प्रदेश, which is a बहुत हुआ ठीक है. अब हम आगे का जो भी क्वेश्चन बचे हुए हैं वो पार्ट थर्ड में कवर करेंगे. ठीक. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो.